Hi, welcome back to Chef Upuli's Fiery Flavors. Today I'm going to teach you how to marinate the chicken to make the chicken curry. Here's the ingredients. This is my chicken. It's like almost 3 breast and almost 3 pounds and like a 1200 kilograms. I washed it and I cut it. So this is my ingredient. This is a 2 tablespoon of roasted curry powder, 2 tablespoon of chili powder or paprika powder, 1 teaspoon of pepper and 1 tablespoon of salt and half a teaspoon of turmeric, and this is the quarter teaspoon of cardamom and quarter teaspoon of clove and 1 tablespoon of soya sauce. I'm going to add everything and then mix it and keep 30 minutes. Then I'm going to make the chicken curry. So I'm going to add it everything. Salt, turmeric. So I'm going to use the grounded cardamom, so I'm not going to use these ones. So I'm going to show you, you can do either one. Even the same thing with the clove. You can use the clove or the grounded clove. So if you are using the real this clove, you have to chop a little bit. So I'm going to use ground. This is my soya sauce. So I'm going to mix it together carefully. See this color, and I think I'm a little bit getting mouth watering. It's getting really good. So when you are cooking, you can take 1 pound or something. You can divide it all my ingredients and you can make it. You don't have to take 3 pounds like I did it. So I think this is done. So I'm going to keep this at least 30 minutes. If you didn't have a time, you don't have to keep it. Just mix it and you can cook with me tomorrow. Thank you.